In question 1.21, we are asked to plot certain points in the complex plane. So, complex plane is a plane formed by complex numbers. So, the complex plane has this, let's call this the y-axis, and let's call this the x-axis. So in a complex plane, the x-axis is formed by real numbers, and the y-axis is formed by imaginary numbers. So if I have to label these, would be I, 2i, 3i, 4i, 5i, negative I, negative 2i, negative 3i, negative 4i, negative 5i. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is actually 0. So this is a complex plane, and the first thing we need to plot is 3, second one is negative I, and part C is 2 plus 3i. So let's plot them. Number A is just 3, so it's going to be this point. That's going to be number A on the x-axis. Number B is negative 1. So that's going to be here. It's number B. And number C is negative 2 plus 3i. So negative 2, sorry, I definitely missed the negative C. It's going to be negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Yes. So negative 2 is here and 3i is here. So let's just draw some nice lines. 3i, negative 2. So the point we are looking for, 2 plus 3i, is actually here. So if you were to plot these points in the complex plane, this is how you would plot them.